In a world thirsty for quality and innovation, the right partner makes all the difference. Launching a beverage production line can be complex. Multiple suppliers, high costs, and technical uncertainty. That's why Herzig, in collaboration with Hermis and leading European manufacturers, delivers complete beverage production lines. From concept to commissioning, we guide you through every stage. Project study, understanding your market, concept and product vision, line design, 3D layout and customized factory planning, machinery supply, sourcing the best European equipment, mixers, pasteurizers, fillers and more, pilot testing, first batch production, lab testing and adjustments, installation and training, final setup, team training and ongoing support. Ready to bring your beverage project to life? Partner with Herzig and Hermis, where innovation meets execution.